It's time for another tips and tricks video brought to you by the Digital Learning Team. My name is Beth Swans, and I'm going to show you a couple things about organization in Google Drive. This is my Drive folder, and you might notice a couple things. I have different colors for my folders. I also have numbers in front of my folders, some of my folders, and others are just words. So let's get right to it. I'm going to start with a new folder. I'm going to call this folder Tips and create it. Immediately, Google pops it down in alphabetical order. But I might want to do a couple things that will rearrange. So one of the things I might want to do is add some color. If I right click on the folder, I can choose change color and I can make the colors whatever I'd like, the folders, whatever color I'd like to be. So I might want to organize everything from a specific school or for a specific student in a color. Or I might want to organize internal folders different from external folders. So you can use color for a lot of those kinds of things. I can take this a step farther by renaming my folder. If I add a number in front of the word tips, it's going to pop it to the top of my list because Google alphabetizes by numbers first and then by words. So now all my folders that have number ones are the folders I use the most often, and they are in alphabetical order. I can take this a step farther by going back to rename, and instead of putting a number in front of the folder, I can put an emoji in front of the folder. So on a Mac, the emoji shortcut is Control Command Space. On a Windows machine, it is Windows period. If I click those, an emoji keyboard will appear. I can click on the emoji I want, like this cute little smile with sunglasses, and that will appear in my title. Now, when I hit OK, it goes to the very top of my list because Google alphabetizes by emojis first, then numbers, then words. Quick tips for organizing your Google Drive. Hope they help.